hanging out up here on top of this mountain. It's wood cutting day for me. So I get 2 cords for $20 and you have, I think, 2 or 3 weeks to cut it all. So the trick is, it's not like it's just laying on the side of the road. You have to walk back and go find it and get it. That's what I got going so far. So if I fill this van up, I think I'll get, a quarter cord. But check this view out. It's beautiful up here. There's a rock quarry. I'd say it's about a half mile down, and that's the shooting pit. So you can hear all those guns going off in the background. The freeway's down there. It's not the freeway, the highway. I'm going to get into some of this stuff here. This is all bone dry. It's got checks in it. The stuff I was just cutting is just fresh fall. It's pretty wet actually, but it'll dry up. But I'm going to go for some of this stuff. So this is my go-to, no matter what I'm doing. I'm coming up here. Got my Rat 7 Ontario knife, my ferrocerium rod here, my axe, got a shovel, I got crackers, 2 gallons of water, plenty of wood, and then I've got down jacket, some cheap 99-cent store cordage, some Gore-Tex snow pants, and Gore-Tex jacket, Fix-A-Flat hiding back there. That's pretty much all you need. And there's some Gorilla Tape. And there's a headlamp. So, oh, and there's a micro bug out bag actually. So that's got pretty much everything I'd need to stay alive for, I'd say, easily 72 hours plus. Just a little one. And then underneath this tarp, I've got a down sleeping bag and 2 military wool blankets. And then I've got these tarps, which I use to gather up the bucked up wood. So they've got holes in them. But I've got duct tape. If there was an emergency and I had to bolt from this little van. But as long as you have your knife, ferrocerium rod, some water, some snacks, some food. I forgot that I actually had that bag in here. As long as I got my knife and my ferrocerium rod, I feel good. So when I'm up here, I'm not worried really about critters like bears, mountain lions. Well, mountain lions and bears, yeah, obviously I'd be worried if I found them, but it's pretty rare up here. People have been coming up here. I think this has been a state park for 30, 40 years. But it's the people. So I've always got my trusty little LCP 380. Just a little inside the waistband carry. Just a baby 9mm 380 ACP. Gives me peace of mind. Tell you what, man. To think of what these people did when they harvested these forests, the lumber with, or just to make these roads up here in the mountains. Imagine doing that on horseback in trailers, wagons. It's out of control. And then to cut these trees with saws by hand, giant saws with multiple men, and then to haul it out using mules and horses and oxen. I'm using a chainsaw. I'm out of breath right now. Chopping it with the chainsaw is the easy peasy, right? It's all fun and games. But then you gotta pack it all up and pull it out. So you gotta walk, I'd say I'm maybe a quarter mile back right now. So I gotta go back, find it, right? Cut it, easy. But then you gotta put it on, I use a tarp. So lay it out, I can get maybe 4 or 5 pieces. And then throw it on your back and get back to the vehicle and pack it up and go back and do it again. It's just amazing that what these people, how they lived. To hear people complain now, it's just out of control, man. Amazing